Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simbe, and if you are new, you're welcome, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this skunk strip crochet wig, and I did ask what color you'd like to see, and Maroon had more votes than green, but I will do green in a separate tutorial. So for today we're going to do the Maroon skunk strip crochet wig. So let's get into it. I wanted to use expression braiding here, but they didn't have color 39 at my local beauty store, so I had no choice but to buy this 1 million braiding here. But guys, I advise you use expression. Both the texture of the expression braid and this one is totally different, but it's good. This one is good, but not as good as expression braid. So if you can find expression braids wherever you are, you can buy expression braids instead of this one. The textures are different, guys. So I'm going to cut in half, then I'm going to pull the ends to get rid of the blunt cut, and this is the hair that I'm going to use, and the foil I'm going to use it later on, and a wig cap and Swiss lace. That's the thing that you will need to make this wig. So I'm going to be doing a side T closure, and I want it to have like a natural hairline, guys. So that's why I'm doing these dots, and I'm going to trace like the shape of my hairline. I'm going to do some curves on the side because I want it to look really realistic. I don't want it to have like a straight line going from the middle all the way to the side. I want it to have some curves and look natural. So that's why I'm doing this. So guys, if you don't know how to make a T closure, I have tutorials on that, so I'm going to link them in the description. So I'm going to sew it right here on the side right here, and then I'm not going to like show too much details on ventilation because I have tutorials on that, guys. So right here I'm just ventilating 2 strands of hair and skip 1 row, 2 strands of hair and skip 1 row, and after ventilating the entire horizontal line, I'm going to go to the one in front of the one that I ventilated. I'm going to ventilate in between the row that I skipped in the previous line. So in between the row that I skipped in the previous line, that's where I will be ventilating and going like that, guys. I have tutorials on this. If you don't know how to ventilate, I'm going to link them in the description. Do go and check them out. So this is the part that I'm going to do, the maroon one. The black right here on the side, I'm just going to do those small spaces on the sides, but the like 80% of the front I'm going to do maroon, and black just a little bit on the side and at the back. So we have that highlighted look that I need to cover the side of my wig. So guys, if you want it if you want to do a middle part, you can go on and do there's no need to do these curls that I did right here. I did them so that it can look natural on the side. Just like when you do your frontal, you don't ventilate a straight line. You do some curves like the way your natural hairline looks like, and that's what I wanted, guys. So that is why I did this. And guys, when I'm like near the hairline, like near that line that I draw that right there using my concealer, I'm going to pick one strand, so that it can look natural at the front. It won't show like big visible knots. So guys, at the back pick 2 strands, and at the front 1, not more than that, guys, not more than that. Do not pick too much here, your closure won't look nice. So this is how it's looking, guys. After I'm done, this is how it's looking. Don't mind the concealer. I'm still gonna put foundation under that lace when I'm done to match my complexion, so I'm not going to remove that concealer. But if you're doing it for someone else, you can just use soap and a wet towel, and it will come off like that. And guys, you can see the hair is long. When you're ventilating, make sure that one side is longer than the other so that the length of your closure can be longer. And right here I'm just marking my tracks. At the back I'm skipping 1 inch, and when I'm reaching the closure, I'm going to skip half an inch. Yeah, so I'm going to start the crochet. I'm not going to do like a detailed crochet, guys. I think by now everyone knows how to crochet, guys. So it's just simple. Put your crochet, put your hair on your large, close it, pull it through, then hook your hair and pass it through. Or you can put your crochet on your wig cap, pass it through, hook your hair, pull it out, take your fingers up, then pass the hair through the loop with your fingers, guys. And guys, as you can see, it's really full. I wanted it to be full. I used only 2 packs of 1 million braids. Yeah, darling, 1 million braids. I used 2 packs of the black and just a little bit of the maroon, guys. So if you are making black throughout the entire closure, there's no need to buy like an extra pack. 2 packs are enough, guys. It's enough. So if you're using expression braiding here, you can buy 1 pack of expression braiding here and cut it into 3. Then it will be as full as this one, guys. So make sure that when you are crocheting near the closure, you're connecting your crochet with your closure, so that way it will be secure and it will be strong, guys. Make sure you connect it together to cover that part that you sewn on the lace, So brush your hair. After ventilation, guys, this is how it's looking. I'm going to brush my hair. Make sure that it's not tangled. Everything is brushed completely, everything, guys, before you put it in hot water, so that when you put it in hot water, your hair will be straight. So make sure you brush your hair, guys. Brush the hair. And after before putting the hair in hot water, I'm just going to cut off this wig cap underneath the closure. Then yeah, guys, you have to remove this so that it will look natural, realistic. Yeah, so this is how it's looking. So right here I've just added conditioner, and I'm adding hot water. Just mix them together, then start with the ends, dip the ends, then the closure. Make sure everything goes into the water. Everything goes into the water, guys. Make sure you don't burn yourself. The water is hot. Make sure you don't burn yourself. So after dipping the hair, you can pour hot water on the closure to make sure that the hair on the closure is straight, guys. We want it to dry straight. So after doing that, dip the hair again in your water with conditioner, and then you can remove it and put it back on your mannequin, and then brush it. When it's wet like this, guys, it's wet, it's not dry yet. Make sure you brush it so that when it gets dry, it will be straight. Make sure it's brushed completely, comb it, make sure it's straight, guys. You can see it's wet and it's looking really full, guys. So guys, when it's dry, you can apply, this is a moisturizing oil. It's like a lotion like, and then I'm going to apply it to make the wig look shiny. Then I'm going to blow dry it to make sure that everything is straight and soft, guys. Then after doing this, we're going to curl the wig. So guys, keep watching, guys. Yeah, and this is how it's looking after blow drying it, guys. This is how it's looking. It was already dry, just straightening it with the dryer. So for the curls, I'm going to apply my olive oil mousse, then brush the hair. Make sure everything is straight, guys. Brushing is the key in this, guys. And I'm going to do my bantu knot, guys. I'm just going to twist the hair. I want the curls to come to the first, so I'm twisting going to the first. If you want them to come to be away of the first, then you twist it going to the back. So I'm just going to do my bantu and make sure it's tight, and then you can wrap it around like that. Then I'm going to this is where the foil part is coming in. Then I'm going to wrap it with my foil. Then I'm going to be using my blow dryer to put heat on the hair. So the foil will prevent the hair from burning, and it will prevent the hair from getting too much flyaways. This is why you need this. So you will do it on a high heat, and the foil will prevent it from burning or from getting flyaways. So guys, I just left it for 1 hour, but guys, don't do this mistake that I did, guys. Don't leave it for just an hour. Better leave it overnight so that your curls will be like really bouncy strong. Yeah, guys, they will last. So make sure you leave it overnight. Don't do this, guys. I'm telling you, don't repeat the mistake that I did. Make sure you leave it overnight. The bantu knots, you leave them overnight so that they will last. So guys, next time I will know. Next time I will know. So yeah, so I just for the green one, the green skunk strip crochet wig. I think I would do straight Kelly. I don't know, you can just comment in the comment section on what you want. So guys, I'm just applying I just added water and conditioner in a small bottle, and I put it on my hands, and I'm just finger combing the curls. Yeah guys, so these are the loose curls, guys. Do let me know what you think about these curls, guys. Do let me know, and guys, don't repeat the mistake that I did. Yeah, don't repeat it. So yeah, this is how it's looking, guys, and this is how it's looking on me. I'm loving the wig. Yeah, so guys, guys, I did not do the installation this time, guys. There was load shedding. I waited and waited and waited, and I just decided that I'm going to do this tutorial. I'm not going to wait for the electricity to come back. I'm going to do this. So I was using my a torch and my phone, guys, to shoot this. So guys, I'm so sorry for not doing the installation, but I will do it next time. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment your thought in the comment section down below. I will see you in my next tutorial. So goodbye.